Hey guys, it's Mrs. Miller. Sorry I'm still out. I will see you guys on Tuesday and Wednesday next week and all of the end of next week. I won't be there Monday. But just gonna go over my expectations for this game that you guys are gonna be playing. It's called Integer Tug-of-war. To go over it pretty quickly, you should have already picked two people. You should be in groups of two. One of you is going to show your work on the slides. You only need one person to show the work on the slides. And then the other person's going to click this link on this slide. When it opens up, you'll see dice. Yours will actually have like all three of these at the top highlighted, and you'll have three dice. We don't want three dice. So you're going to click the yellow one. We only want the blue and the purpley pink color, okay? Because we have a blue team and a purple team. Going on, please make sure that on this slide, you enter you and the person you're working with's name. You just type their names literally right here, and then tell me whose work I'm looking at to give you guys credit. You are not going to get credit if I do not see your work. So make sure that you have written down exactly who you're working with. If you're not working with anyone and it's just like you're way ahead of people, you can just write your name and then working independently. I'm still going to expect you to have the two parts. So let's go over the instructions. The instructions are here. Roll the dice. You're going to enter the numbers that each team rolled on the table. Use your number line to help you track the movements, and then enter your ending position after each roll. And the winner is the person who gets closest to their side. So this is tug-of-war. Like in regular tug-of-war, right, this is always going to be our starting point is at 0. So our dot's at 0. And imagine like this is the blue team. The blue team wants to pull as much of the rope to their side. So we're imagining that's a flag in the middle. You want that dot in the middle to end up closest on your side. And the purple team wants it on their side. So they want it, purple's wanting to get closest to positive 20. Blue team, the winner's going to be if they are closest to negative 20 at the end. So there are a couple rules you're going to do. I'm going to show you what it'll look like. First things first, you're going to roll the dice. This one says, okay, the blue team moves 6 and the purple team moves 1. So I'm going to go into here. The blue team moves 6 and the purple team moves 1. You can pick whoever you want to start first, but keep it consistent. I'm going to start with the blue. So the blue team gets to move 6 positions in its direction. So notice that its negative direction is the goal. So I'm actually going to put -6 in front of the blue's number. And I'm going to erase this dot because it's moving. You don't have to if you don't want to. If you want to, just keep track of it. So the blue team was starting at 0, and I want to go back 6. Okay? But then purple gets to move 1, and they want to move it 1 in their direction. So based on the point that the flag was pulled onto the blue side, the team purple, we don't really have a purple, so I'm going to just use red, is going to move it 1 space. So now the ending point is -5. I'm going to show you again. So our ending point's -5. That's where we're at now. So we're going to roll again. This time blue gets 6 and purple gets 2. I'm going to go in here. Blue gets 6, purple gets 2. And remember, blue is moving left, so I'm actually going to go -6. So based on where we ended at -5, we want to go back 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we're at -11. But then purple got 2 spaces. So we move up to 1, 2. And this position right here means that we're at -9. And the goal of this is, again, to either get all the way to -20 or positive 20. If you get to one of those numbers first, you're the winner. If you don't get to those numbers, it's okay, but after roll 9, whoever is closest to their goal, so like if you're closer, maybe you're at -14, that'd be blue. If you're at 10, that'd be purple that wins, and then put a star next to that. So based on this,